So let's take a moment then and actually look inside of the master, find out what's going on inside of there, and as a result, better understand how to drive a Kubernetes cloud. Inside of the master node, of which there's going to be 3 of them, we find the center attraction, the API server. Anything that you want to do with Kubernetes is going to go through the API server. A bit of good news for you. If you like to write your own scripts, nothing's stopping you from going directly to the API server, and we certainly do, in launching things. It's way faster than the alternative, which would be to use a command line through kube control, which maybe you load on your laptop, and then it converts to a RESTful interface. We're all going to learn Kubernetes like this. This is where we all start. But if you're a programmer and you're trying to orchestrate this, in no time, you're going to want to graduate beyond kube control and begin to write your own interfaces. And Kubernetes is designed to make that extremely possible. Now, there are other critical components on this: kube control, which is the command line interface, the database stuff, and then kubelet, which is running out on each node, that I want to get into detail next. Let's drill a little bit deeper into a really important controller that's running on the master node.
This video is brought to you by Alta3 Research. We offer training solutions both on-site and online so that you can choose the method that works best for you. If you like this video, check out the links in the description box below for more information on our course offerings. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.